everyone, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jason. We're best friends, and today we want to show you how to say hello and goodbye in English.
Yeah, it's super easy and fun. Let's start with hello.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Jason.
See, that's how you say hello when you meet someone. Can you say it too?
Now, in the morning, you can say good morning. It's a nice way to start the day.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Jason. I love saying good morning when I see my family at breakfast.
And after the morning, when it's the middle of the day, we say good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jason.
Good afternoon, Sarah. I say that when I see my friends after lunch.
And later, when it starts getting dark, we can say good evening.
Good evening, Sarah.
Good evening, Jason. I say that when I see my family before dinner.
And when it's time for bed, you can say good night.
Good night, Jason.
Good night, Sarah. That's what I say before I go to sleep.
And what about when we have to leave? What do we say then?
That's easy. We say goodbye.
Goodbye, Jason.
Goodbye, Sarah. But don't worry, we'll see each other again soon.
Yeah, saying goodbye doesn't mean you won't see your friends again. It just means see you later.
Let's practice with our friends watching. Ready?
Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Goodbye. Goodbye. You all did so great. Keep practicing these greetings with your friends and family.
Yeah, and remember, it's always nice to greet someone with a big smile.
We'll see you next time, okay? Goodbye, everyone.